Like the last problem, this is another example of a harder level problem. Again, 1 through 60 on the ACT, 1 technically being one of the easiest questions, 60 being the hardest. This is number 46 out of 60. So definitely one of the harder level questions. And we see that we have variables in the answer choices. So this is another good candidate to pick numbers for the variables and then plug them back into the answer choices. If A is less than B, so let's go ahead and pick numbers for A and B. Let's say A is 3 and B is 7. Then the absolute value of A minus B, so the absolute value of 3 minus 7, that would equal the absolute value of negative 4. The absolute value of any negative number is it's positive, so it's positive 4. And just to show you, if you want to know how to do this on a calculator, you just go to Math, scroll over to Num, ABS, click that, 3 minus 7, positive 4. So this is what we're looking for. The absolute value of 3 minus 7 equals to positive 4. So we have to plug these back into the answer choices, see if we get positive 4. A plus B, 3 plus 7. Well, that's 10. That's not 4. That's gone. Negative A plus B. Negative 3 plus 7. And if you have trouble with the parentheses, you can always use your calculator. You can just go negative 3 plus 7. Add the parentheses just as it is in the problem. That's negative 10. Because 3 plus 7 is 10. We have that negative outside, negative 10. So that's gone. A minus B. 3 minus 7, square root of 3 minus 7. That's obviously not it. That would be square root of negative 4. And square root of negative 4 is obviously not positive 4. 3 minus 7. A minus B. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Nope, that doesn't work. And this one. And again, if you have any trouble with parentheses and negatives outside the parentheses, you can always use your calculator. So we'll just use the calculator for this. So we have a negative outside. Let me bring this up. So a negative, let me just clear all this out. Negative parentheses 3 minus 7. Ta-da, 4. And that's what we were looking for. No pun intended. So the right answer is K. So again, what did we do? We looked that there were variables in the answer choices, and we picked numbers for the variables and we plugged them back in. So a very effective strategy, especially on some of these harder problems.